guys, I am back on my 9th day with Louis Vuitton. So the next item that I am about to feature is right here. It is a Louis Vuitton key holder. So as you guys could see, this one is made up of a damier ebony print, and it is a 6 key holder. Right here inside, as you guys could see, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brass hooks. So I'm gonna give you a closer look so you guys will be able to see the hardware. It says right there, Louis Vuitton. Very lovely. And I got this few years ago, and it actually holding up pretty well. I use this from time to time. The thing with me, guys, is I have a lot of key holder, and I rotate them. So sometimes I use this for a couple of weeks. So I just want to make sure that this one gets some rest. And then after a month or so, and I started to using it again. Right here on the inside, this one has this cross grain leather right here, the lining. And this one is made in, I'm not seeing it well. So this one is made in France. Right there. It is actually red though. It's in red. And yeah, this one inside, it only has this pocket right here. And I've seen quite a lot of videos that you can actually put a card right here. So maybe your driver's license or my most used cards, you could do that. But in my case, I've actually never done that at all. And this is just how it looks inside. It is actually very, very simple. Right there. So far, looking at the hooks, I didn't see any wear at all. I didn't see any tarnishing. I haven't really cleaned this one since I started using it, but it seems like it's looking pretty good. And let me just close this once again. Okay, this one has the snap closure right here, which is also in gold hardware as well. There are some hairline scratches that were so obvious. Right here at the back, it's looking great. The glazing, so far, the glazing are intact. Right there. And yeah, I didn't see any issues at all so far. Yeah, I didn't see. And also the stitching is beautiful. So the stitching for this is actually very well done. Yeah, you know, guys, I'm a fan of craftsmanship, and so far, wow, this one is so beautiful. You could see right here the Louis Vuitton Paris. That's just like the logo. This one is made up of one continuous piece of canvas right there. So let me just close this one. Yeah, I've got this. So right now, this one price is around, I think, $265 US, and it's highly affordable. Knowing that this is a Louis Vuitton item, you could this one I think this is one of the best purchases from Louis Vuitton I had in years though. So anyway, moving on to the next item. I also have here the 4 key holder as well. What is this? Oh, this is just the textile information. So this one has the 4 hooks right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is actually holding up pretty well. It also has those Louis Vuitton logos right there, engraved on the hardware. beautiful. This one has also a slot right here at the back. I'm not sure if you could actually put a card in here. I'm not 100% sure. Let me see if I could find a card right here. Okay, so I have a card here. Let me see if this one fits at the back. Actually, it actually fits perfectly. And hold on, let me see if you could close it. Oh no, so you could not put a credit card on the 4-key holder. So yeah, that's too bad. If it's actually the card is smaller than the credit card, I think it would fit. I think it would fit. So that's how it looks in the inside. I got the one that's made in France right here. This one has a black print in it. This one has a gold hardware, and it is made up of one continuous piece of canvas. Wow, the canvas is actually very shiny. Oh my goodness. And so far the glazing is looking great. Like I mentioned before, that I rotate my card holder, so it's so hard to actually speak for the wear. So this key holder is, yeah, this one is actually priced for $225 US. That's before tax. And so far this part right here, it's not curling yet. So sometimes with my Louis Vuitton items, they start to curl on this side in a long run. This one, not yet. This one is like about to. So as you guys could see right there. And let me just show if the credit card fits here. Yeah, it actually fits perfectly inside. Okay, so that is just for, so the credit card fits right there perfectly. So far the glazing for both of these are great, so I will highly recommend it. So the 4-key is $225 and the 6-key is $265. So it's actually, that's not much of a difference though, really. So if it was me, I would take the 6-key though. But the only reason sometimes I have a smaller purse, if I use a smaller purse, I tend to use the 4-key. It is easier to slip right in your purses with no problems at all. So from time to time I use this, but most of the time I use this two together. It is a Coach key holder and I love this so much compared to, honestly, compared to Louis Vuitton. That's because this one is also carefree and the price is highly affordable. I got this for around $40 and it's holding up pretty well. After years of using it, it's still intact. It's still beautiful. This one is actually crafted beautifully and the price is $40. Like, are you serious? So this is how it looks. This is the brown. This is currently what I'm using right now, and this is their monogram. And the inside, this is how it looks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hooks on the inside with the pewter hardware. And also there is a slot on this corner where you could put the card. And also there is another slot on the other side as well where you could put another card. And another slot right here in the middle where you could put a card as well. So there are 3 card slots on the inside, which is actually really nice. Though the compartment is actually very useful and functional as well. And also this one has, if you have a very long key, you could use this as well. So another feature that I like about this Coach is this ring right here, the key ring right here. And it is carefree. It is leather interior. The canvas interior, the exterior is made up of canvas, and it's carefree, definitely. So you have two options here, like that. And it's very soft, and the quality is amazing for this piece, guys. I am telling you, I'm not sure if this one is still available at the Coach website. I know I got this in a Coach outlet on the website, and beautiful. I would highly recommend it. If you could find this in the website, go for it. You will not regret this key holder, guys. It is amazing. The glazing is not, it's still intact after using this. Wow. Right here. So yeah, I've actually used this one, currently using this one. I still have the card left inside. Yeah, the glazing is amazing. This is the comparison of the Louis Vuitton. It's like the same size. It's like, there's not much of a difference though. The only difference is this one is made up of leather, canvas, $265, and this is $40. So it's up for you to decide. So anyway, this is the item for the 9 days with Louis Vuitton. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.